Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Sun. Memory management technique in embedded system. Heap based allocation, memory pools, that is fixed size allocated. In case of heap based allocation, it is dynamic memory allocation. At runtime, it is allocated, that is using malloc function, free in C. Simple example. Advantage is that it is very flexible. It is also dynamic data structures. The disadvantage that occurs here is that the problem fragmentation will occur internal as well as external. Overhead potential for memory leaks occurs. These two things we have already discussed in the previous slides. So if it is a dynamic memory allocation, you have to take care of fragmentation and memory leaks. And better not to use heap-based allocation. Instead of that, you use fixed size allocator. So in case of memory pools, fixed size allocator, pre-allocating a pool of fixed size memory blocks. The block size is fixed earlier itself. So it reduces fragmentation, faster allocation or deallocation of objects of same size. Now, all the data will be of fixed size, and you will not have problem in storing the data in allocation or deallocation. You will not have problem in allocation or deallocation. And disadvantage is that if it is a very small application, the memory will be wasted. And if you have more memory, the memory will be wasted. So you cannot allocate it lesser space for lesser space if you have more memory in your architecture. So the space will be wasted. That is one thing, and requires managing the space. Memory management technique in embedded system. So you don't require memory management system if it is direct physical addressing. If it is physical addressing, only if it is virtual addressing, in that case, you have to go for memory management unit considerations. If there is no memory management unit, you need not worry about it, and you can go for it is only direct physical addressing, you will be using it. And memory protection will be very limited, and it will not exist also. Sometimes it will not exist also. Simpler, but requires careful memory management in software. Thank you, friends.